Cole, what do you think of this? Does he always do this, though?
Yeah, straight down the barrel.
Yeah, does she always do this? Snuggles up to people when it comes to this. Like, look. Oh, okay. Why is this cute or is it normal? Okay. Do you think everyone will love it when I post? Alright. What is this, Colton? Did you put on a Christmas story? Wait, look. What? Jack's coming up. Yo, the dogs. Why are the dogs stalking me? No, it's cute. It's cute. Oh, look, now she's sleeping on me. She's out like a light, isn't she? On me.